Hello friends, welcome back to Homespot. Today, let us slow down together and enjoy something peaceful as we turn simple driftwood and beach finds into warm, rustic decorations for your garden. Stay with this video until the end, because each idea is gentle on the body, easy to follow, and perfect for creating a calm, beautiful corner in your yard, balcony, or patio, even if you do not feel as strong as you once did. Imagine stepping into your garden through a handmade driftwood trellis arch, each weathered branch twisted into a natural curve overhead. Sunlight filters through leaves and wood, casting shifting shadows on the path below. Climbing roses and vines weave themselves around the frame, softening the structure with color and fragrance. This archway feels like a coastal gateway, welcoming guests into a peaceful, rustic sanctuary shaped by the ocean in your own hands. Picture a quiet corner of your yard where flat driftwood planks float in the air, suspended by thick rope from an old tree branch. Each tier overflows with succulents and trailing plants, tumbling gently toward the ground. When the breeze moves, the hangers sway softly, creating a living mobile of color and texture. This simple driftwood arrangement turns empty vertical space into a playful, bohemian garden feature that feels light, airy, and effortless. Imagine a simple seating area tucked between your flower beds, where a handcrafted driftwood bench waits beneath soft shade. Thick, sun-bleached logs form the base, topped with smooth planks and a few cozy cushions in natural tones. The bench looks like it washed ashore and settled perfectly into your garden. Sitting here, you feel grounded and close to nature, surrounded by birdsong, gentle breezes, and the quiet charm of weathered wood. Hear the gentle music of your garden as a set of driftwood wind chimes dances in the breeze. Slender branches polished by the sea hang alongside shells and small stones, each piece tied with twine to a central driftwood bar. When the wind passes through, they tap and clink softly, adding a calming soundtrack to your outdoor space. This simple sculptural accent feels both coastal and cozy, turning every gust into a soothing performance. See a charming driftwood signpost standing proudly beside your garden path, guiding visitors with a playful touch. A sturdy, crooked branch rises from the soil, supporting several arrow-shaped boards pointing in different directions. Each board carries a hand-painted word, naming beds, herbs, or favorite spots. The letters may be imperfect, but that is part of the charm. This signpost feels like a friendly host, welcoming everyone and telling the story of your outdoor space. Imagine tall driftwood obelisks rising from your garden beds like natural sculptures, each one built from straight branches tied carefully with twine. At their base, climbing plants and vegetables twist upward, finding support and structure as they grow. Over time, leaves and flowers weave themselves through the frame, softening its lines. These obelisks create vertical interest, guide unruly vines, and bring a sense of rustic architecture, making even a simple vegetable patch look thoughtfully designed. Picture your flower beds outlined by irregular pieces of driftwood, each one partly buried in the soil to create a gentle, flowing border. The wood varies in shape and color, but together forms a natural frame that echoes the shoreline. Inside the border, colorful blooms spill toward the edge, while outside lies neatly trimmed lawn or gravel. This simple edging idea subtly defines spaces without harsh lines, letting your garden feel both organized and wonderfully organic. Imagine your garden at dusk, when soft candlelight begins to glow from lanterns cradled in driftwood holders. Twisted branches and small logs form rustic cradles around glass jars, protecting the flames from the wind. The warm light bounces off the wood, highlighting its grain and curves. Lined along a path or grouped on a table, these holders turn an ordinary evening into a cozy gathering, wrapping your outdoor space in a gentle, inviting glow. Visualize a winding garden path where each stepping stone is framed by driftwood pieces that follow its shape. Flat stones sit slightly raised from the soil, while curved bits of wood hug their edges, adding texture and detail. Small ground cover plants peek between the stones, softening the transitions. As you walk, the combination of stone and wood feels solid and natural underfoot. This simple design makes the path look handcrafted, guiding every step with character and subtle artistry. Picture a tall driftwood tower rising from a patch of wildflowers, crowned with a rustic birdhouse at the top. Sturdy branches are stacked and secured to form a natural column, their knots and curves left on display. The birdhouse rests above, offering a safe shelter with a perfect view of the garden. Birds come and go, bringing movement and life to the structure. This perch transforms practical housing into a sculptural centerpiece that anchors the surrounding planting. Imagine the sound of trickling water coming from a small garden fountain built around a base of driftwood. Curved pieces form a nest-like structure, hiding a simple pump beneath their tangled lines. Water bubbles gently over stones and roots, catching the light as it flows back into a shallow basin. The driftwood looks as if it has always belonged near the water. This feature brings soothing movement, subtle sound, and a cool, refreshing feeling to your outdoor haven. Picture a rustic swing hanging from a sturdy A-frame built entirely from thick driftwood branches. Each leg is anchored firmly in the ground, with crossbeams lashed together using heavy rope. A simple wooden seat hangs from strong cords, gently swaying over grass and dappled shade. Children and adults alike are drawn to this spot, laughing, relaxing, and drifting back and forth. The swing becomes a playful centerpiece, blending naturally into the landscape while inviting pure, simple joy. Imagine an outdoor wall where a mirror framed in driftwood reflects your garden from a new angle. Irregular pieces of wood radiate outward, forming a textured border around the glass. When you walk by, you catch glimpses of sky, leaves, and flowers in the reflection, making the space feel deeper and more dynamic. This driftwood-framed mirror acts like a window to another part of the garden, enhancing light, expanding views, and adding sculptural interest to a plain surface. Visualize an evening gathering around a low outdoor table where a long driftwood log sits at the center, carved with small recesses for candles. Each flame flickers inside its hollow, casting tiny pools of light along the twisted surface. The warm glow reveals knots, cracks, and grains in the wood, turning it into a living sculpture. Arranged alone or in clusters, these candle holders bring intimacy and charm, transforming your garden into a calm, welcoming retreat at night. Picture a cozy seating area shielded by driftwood privacy panels, where thin branches are woven between vertical posts to form a natural screen. Light filters through small gaps, creating patterns on the ground and cushions. The fence feels light yet protective, separating your space from the outside world without closing it off completely. This handmade barrier silences visual noise, adds texture, and gives your garden nook the feeling of a hidden, rustic retreat just for you. See a winding garden path at night, marked by driftwood stakes rising from the soil, each one topped with a small solar light. The wood, pale and weathered, contrasts with the soft golden glow above. As you walk, pools of light guide your steps, while surrounding plants fade into gentle shadow. These simple stakes turn a dark walkway into an enchanting route, combining safety and atmosphere. The garden feels magical, welcoming you to wander a little longer. You have now seen how simple driftwood, a little patience, and a gentle touch can turn your garden into a peaceful, rustic retreat that welcomes you every single day. From arches and planters to soft candlelight and pathways, each idea is designed to be doable, relaxing, and kind to your hands and energy. If these projects inspired you, please like this video, subscribe to Homespot, and leave a comment sharing which driftwood idea you would love to try next.